Hello students, this is Mrs. Khan. Today I'm going to tell you about a new technology that we're going to use in class. It's called Padlet. So first let me show you how to get there. You're going to go to Canvas. However you get to Canvas, whether you have it marked up on your favorites or if you go to Clever first, I'm going to give you some time to get to Canvas. Once you get to Canvas, you're going to go to My Class, Mrs. Khan's Language Arts class. And then you're going to go to this week's module and then click on today's date. Okay, once you're there, click on Padlet link, and that is going to take you right to the Padlet that I created for our class. So let's read the question at the top of the board. The question I wrote for you is, what do you already know about summarizing? But before we get into the assignment, I want to tell you a little bit about Padlet and how to use it. Padlet is an idea board. It's a place where we can post our thoughts and our ideas and for others to see, and we can comment on other people's ideas. Let me show you how to add your own post here. Down here at the bottom right hand corner, you click on this little plus sign. And you'll see you can add a subject if you want, summarizing, and then there are several options. You can upload a document, or you can link to a website. You can take a picture. You can search for an image and add an image. Okay, and of course right here you can type your answer here for others to see. If you click here, there are some other options that you can add. You can record yourself speaking for others to hear. You can post a video of yourself. This one right here, you can draw for everybody to see and post that. Okay, so all kinds of things that you can do for others to see. Okay, and then once you have posted yours for everybody else to see, you can make comments on other people's posts. Great idea. All right, and then you just click there. And that's it. Once everyone has finished posting and commenting, we will have a big board full of ideas to talk about together as a class.